Add a new blank layer and fill black color. Select Type tool and type your text. Press Ctrl T to transform text size. Press Ctrl A to select all and align text against the canvas. Duplicate the text layer and rasterize layer. Hide the original layer. Hold Ctrl key and click on Layer Thumbnail for selection. Now to go to Select Grow and click on Contract. Delete the selected area to create an outline of the text. Duplicate outline text layer. Again hold Ctrl key and click on Layer Thumbnail for selection and go to Select Grow and click on Expand this time. Expand the selection of about 2 pixels and fill the white color. Duplicate the same and repeat the same action. Make sure lock transparent pixels. Now fill the color by pressing Alt plus backspace. Unlock transparent pixels and go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur. Convert layer to the smart object so that we can modify the blur anytime we want. Now create the final layer thin outline and fill white color with the same process. Hold Ctrl key and click on Layer Thumbnail for selection. Create a blank layer. Now go to Select and Mask in Old Versions Refine Edge. Select Margin and Preview. Increase the feather and shift edge for the backlight effect. Fill color by pressing Alt backspace and decreases the opacity. Now add a radial gradient.